What would have happened if you didn't study engineering? If I hadn't studied engineering, I believe that engineering have significantly changed me as a person. Engineering is not something you fall in love with, and that's something we all agree on. However, engineering is not just about constructing buildings. It's a way of thinking and problem solving. Yes, it placed me in a mindset of problem analysis and solving. Whenever I encounter a problem, I break it down and solve it step by step. See, I think this is because I studied engineering. I have no regrets at all. Even though I didn't have a passion for engineering, it has equipped me with valuable skills. Engineering teaches you logical thinking and helps you succeed. Many successful individuals in the business world have studied engineering. Do you have any idea why?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to Civil 53. Why concrete needs reinforcement bars? When a concrete structure is subjected to loads, internal forces such as compressive and tensile forces arise. While concrete is great at handling compressive forces, it cannot withstand tension forces on its own. That's where reinforcement comes in. It's designed to absorb these tensile forces and transfer them to areas of low tensile stress in the concrete through anchorage. So without reinforcement, concrete structure would be much weaker and less durable. It's fascinating how different materials can work together to create something strong and reliable. So by this we can conclude the second episode of Engineering Inside with Civil 53. See you tomorrow at the same time, inshallah.